Grayling. Spot number C9, I think. Charlie.
We're camping right now. We're in Grayling.
What's Pat doing?
Camping in Grayling.
Camping? Where we are now?
Grayling. Mercy.
Go ahead, Russell. Russell, hit ball. Basket.
I got it.
Okay. Wow.
Hold it by side.
Nice, honey. Oh, good try. Wow.
Keep right, Sija. Keep right.
I think, right?
That's not somebody. Alright. Sit still now. You good?
Take a picture of me. Do I have dragonfly in here?
Oh! Don't go too far. They're still turning around on the back.
This is a little bit of a rapid here, Jeff.
Alright. Okay.
Most of the movement is by the water anyways.
Look on slow that. Those guys still there.
Yeah, this water looks really shallow though. I would make a video or a picture of each other, but I'm afraid Russell. Russell, don't leave too much.
Also, have sit still, baby.
I'll offset the lead. So you're steering us in the other direction. You gotta stay straight up, Russell. You don't move to one side, okay? Now there is one point where
Mom, fast.
there's some dangerous areas.
Mom,
They're not really
fast.
super dangerous.
Yeah, hold on.
Just caution.
Also, sit still now, look. Oh, I don't know where they are.
Well, they're coming eventually.
Yeah, they're coming. It's okay.
Does Lewis have his phone with him?
No, we stop before them. It's okay.
I hear him.
Oh, okay. So see butter. Oh, that's so nice. Butterfly.
I remember one time I was in straight up. Did they get briefed? Well, I don't know, because it takes a little. It's hard for me to do that, you know. Some cats. DiamondPat.
halfway.
Really?
No, it's not longer than that.
Should I do a diamond pat? Go, Patty.
Hi,
Where are you, Patty?
somewhere.
You're on the AuSable River near
Uh,
Grayling, Michigan.
Yeah.
What are you doing here, Pat? Watch yourself on the left, Patty.
Kayaking.
Is it fun, Patty?
Maybe.
You like it, love?
Yeah. It's funny, they never heard your voice on the channel.
Good job.
Well,